In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your app using Google AI Studio. We'll walk through the full workflow from inside Google AI Studio to your live app link on Google Cloud, keeping the process simple and straightforward. Start by building your app inside Google AI Studio. I'm demonstrating with a basic text-to-speech app, but the steps are identical for any project you're working on. Make sure your app runs as expected in Studio so you're confident in what you're about to deploy. When you're ready, look at the top of the screen and click the Deploy App button, the one with the little rocket icon. This opens a window titled Deploy App on Google Cloud. In this window, you'll notice a URL preview that will be generated for your app once deployment finishes. Think of this as your app's public address. Before you can deploy, you need to select a Google Cloud project. If you already have one, choose it from the list. If you don't, click Create Project. Give the project a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize it later, then click Create Project. Google will create it in the background, and this typically only takes a few seconds. Once it appears, select that project to continue. Next up is billing. Billing is required to deploy and use the app. Click Set up billing, and you'll be redirected to the Google Cloud Console billing page. Complete the setup by selecting the required options, agreeing to the terms, and entering valid payment details. This part usually takes just a few minutes. A quick tip: keep your Google AI Studio tab open so you can switch back easily, and double-check you're using the intended Google account in the top right corner of the console. After billing is successfully set up, return to Google AI Studio and click Deploy App. The platform will handle the deployment process for you. This may take a short moment, so don't worry if you see a loading state. If the deploy button is grayed out, make sure both a project is selected and billing is active for that project. Once deployment completes, your app's URL is ready. You can open it to see your live app and share that link with collaborators or users. Keep in mind that usage will be billed according to your Google Cloud settings, so it's a good idea to monitor your costs in the Cloud Console. And that's all there is to it. You've built your app, deployed it with a few clicks, and now you have a shareable URL. If this walkthrough helped you, please subscribe for more tutorials like this.